Introducing the 2023 Cupra, born 150 kilowatts, 58/58 kilowatt hours, 204 horsepower, 5-door auto in stunning blue. This electric beauty boasts a host of features including ambient lighting, satellite navigation, and collision avoidance, braking for a luxurious and safe driving experience. With cup holders, privacy glass, and a powertrain warranty, this vehicle has it all. Rest assured that it has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Drive with peace of mind, knowing it comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us now or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie to learn more about this exceptional vehicle.